I caught up with Chelsea and Michael, who were jogging by and were nice to just stop for a quick second. And I said, what are you doing running? And you're saying it was really good out?
It's the perfect texture for running. Very low impact on its dry snow so your feet don't get wet.
What have you seen while you've been out running?
It's been a lot of fun. There's a lot of other runners and
vaihtoehtoja. Etujalka tulee tuonne aidan rivan alle ja se on kyllä melkein pahinta, mitä aitajuoksijalle voi tapahtua ja silloin lähdetään kyllä iloisesti. Äärimmäisen hienosti kaveri ottaa kyllä tämän kaatumisen vastaan, mutta tämä seuraava tempo on kyllä sitten...
Beat the freeze. They give the contestant a head start and then watch this guy in the freeze suit.
This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. Watch this, folks.
I mean, the guy had what, a 200-foot head